Well, buongiorno, my friendos. This is me, and I'm been asked to do training. So, should we start training? Take the test. Right, okay. Do you still decide to, what? I'll take training on that one. Yep. Why am I doing it on that? It's supposed to be, or did I just touch? No, not you, the other thing. Go back. Thank you. I'll take training. Nope, didn't work. Oh, do I have to just go through it all? I don't know. I've never done this before. Okay. Take training. Here we go. Self-harm next. Oh, okay. Public policy. Yep. Go for next. It's because I'm looking on two different things at the same time. That's the problem. I'm trying to do it. Well, wait a minute. Ethan sings a line uploaded video. Performance like overcoming. Is this violent? Also, I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit and go. No, it's not. Check. Correct. Thank you. So next. A minute. Into blogs about beauty tip. One day. Need to Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's straight away a violation. Yes, it is. Thank you. No, that is not a violation. Thank you. And no, that's not a violation. Thank you. Okay. That's what I thought could be multiple options. Right, own it. I'd say, sorry, I'm going to say 2. This one. Let's find out. No, the correct answer is 2. Huh? Okay, try again. So, Correct answer is 2. You just said 2. On YouTube. Oh, no, it's that one. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. What? Well, it violates something. Oh, that one? No. Gonna try. Well, okay, at this point, it's going to be that one, surely. What do you mean it's wrong? I've gone through every one now. I didn't understand what's going on. Right. Let's read it again, shall we? Should we just read the policies and stuff? Right. Sorry, I'm shaking this point. Okay, right, fine. Ooh. Just go back. Right, so in that sense, it violates it all, doesn't it? This video violates policy because it isn't allowed on YouTube. So it should be, am I right? That one. It does. Answer 2 is correct. Almost there. Okay, fine. So answer 2 is correct. So I don't understand this. Answer 2 is correct. So it's not answer 2 then. So what? I'll read the violations in a minute because this is going to be wrong, isn't it? That's incorrect. See, I don't understand it because I've done. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, 2 answers. Thank you. Okay, thank you. I didn't understand it. Right. That one and that one. Thank you. My bad. See, I didn't understand there was 2 answers. Right, okay, fine. See, right. Is it, oh, okay, should read it first. So, it doesn't say fictional. So, it says science fiction. My bad. I saw the word science. Okay, right. I passed the test. What do I do now? Close training. And so I've got a ban coming. Okay, right. Yeah, okay, right. Do I share thoughts or just do I appeal? Thank you. I think that's it then. Is it? I can just go back to my videos and me or my there it is. What's down there? What's going on? Okay, fine. Now, I've been banned. Yep. It's going to be quite funny because how am I supposed to post this if I've been banned? Okay, it might have to stay a long time in the vault. Love you and leave you guys. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you saw a guy at Pride today in Margate, by the way, Margate Pride, dressed as Deadpool, guess who it was? It was me. So if you saw him, like me and subscribe to me. Love you guys. Bye.